Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change device name on MacBook Air M4. First, open the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and go to System Settings from here. Once you open the General section, open About, and at the very top of the About section you'll see the name of your MacBook. In order to change it, just select the text, then backspace it and provide a new name for your device, then press enter, and then you can simply close this menu. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.